Hello everyone, this is Unity1 and in this video we're going to see how to download the texture pack in your Minecraft or the resource pack, whatever you wanna call it. So what this is just for you is to use this website called resourcepack.net, which is specifically for this kind of things, and you pick one of those. So yeah, if I go back here, you pick one of those and make sure it meets your version. So like, don't pick an old one, which will not work obviously. So yeah, for example, you pick this one, which is IAMAS, Idylon, or whatever it is. All you have to do is just scroll down here and pick which version fits yours, and make sure it's Bedrock or Java. So it depends on your Minecraft version. So for me, I picked this one, which takes me to this page, as you can see, and I already downloaded it. After you click download here, and now there it is. You just cut it or just copy it, it's up to you. And then go to options, and then go to resource packs, and then go to open pack folder, and then paste it here. Okay, so now here it is. As you can see, it just came. You just click on the arrow and then click done. And you may notice the changes already happen in the UI. And to verify this more, you go to your world and make sure it's working. And as you can see, the trees are different, the grass is different, the water is different. That means the texture pack is working. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned how to do this. If you need more tutorials like this, just let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.